students, I hope you all are good, and today we will learn to create a certificate. Okay, this is a sample design that I have created, but one more feature I will add, that is mail merge. Okay, so mail merge is actually a feature in which we can send the same certificate to many people, okay, by making small changes in it. You know very well in certificates what are the changes, okay, in all the certificates. There the name will be different, class will be different, maybe competition is also different, then the date on which it is held and the position secured by the student. Okay, so these are the details that will be different in all the certificates, and then you might have seen that most of the certificates look similar. Okay, the look is similar, the content is also similar, only few changes are there, so that we can then do with the help of mail merge. Okay, so this is the sample design. You can see I have used a border. This is header banner. You can download header banner vector, you can download it from the internet and you can use. Okay, this is a stamp, okay, ribbon stamp. Okay, this is a normal content, okay, and center aligned. Got it? So you can put your own borders, you can choose your own design. If you want to put the background color, you can put background color also. Okay, borders also you can put from here. If you want custom borders, you can put from here, like 3D borders. So the certificate is ready. Save it. Now mail merge. So if you are preparing certificate in MS Word, then we will be able to use mail merge feature. So here you have to use mailing tab. Okay, you can see mailing tab is here. I have already prepared the list. Okay, so I will choose select recipient list and the existing list. Okay, the list, see, if you have to type your list, you can type from here. You can put title, first name, last name, and in whatever you want you can put here. Okay, the data, this is actually a data source, will be saved in MS Access form. Okay, database in MS Access software. First of all, I will open the list and will show you that how exactly the list look like. Speech, see, first name, last name, class, competition, date, position. These are the things actually we need to put in certificates. Okay, so these are the necessary details that we want. It is an Excel form. So click on mailings, then select recipient list, click on use existing list. Go to the desktop, then choose the list speech. Okay, this is the list of students, those who are getting this certificates. Okay, so there are almost 15 records. That means we will be able to prepare 15 certificates at a time. Okay, we don't have to write anything. Once we have the list, we can simply use it. Okay, so select it by double clicking, and then which sheet contains the details. See, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, already know that always Excel sheet contains 3 sheets by default, but here we will use the first one because first contain our details. Okay, so here click on OK. Now you will be able to see this insert merge field. Okay, so these are the list. You can see whichever is there in the Excel sheet. Okay, I told you first name, last name, class, competition, date, position. Okay, so this is my customized list. Okay, and this is the field name. So here wherever you have to keep first name, here we have to keep first name, then space, then last name. So you have to click here, then click on insert merge field and then click on first name. Got it? Put space because there is always space between the first name and last name. Then click on last name. Okay, of class, which class? So here you have to put space and click on insert merge field and then click on class. Got it? On remarkable achievement in, so here there will be the event name. Okay, So insert merge field, here the competition is there, so the competition will come automatically. Okay, then there is held on, so date of competition, so click on date. Okay, and has secured, so you bring it down. So has secured dash position, so click on this. Later on also you can adjust the design of the certificate. Okay, you can format it nicely as per your requirement. Okay, now let's see the result. For that you have to, again in mailings you will be able to find preview result button, so click on preview. Okay, you can see here the first record is there, Vinay Sharma of class 9th A. Okay, if you want to change the font, then you can change font also from home. Okay, choose the simple one so that it is visible. Okay, or make it different. This one is nice. Okay, can reduce the size also. Now you might have seen it is underlined in the certificate. Okay, so it is better you make changes in the merged. This one is the final document. Okay, go in mailings, then click on preview result again. Then again you will be able to see the merge field. Okay, these are merged field. This is merged document. Okay, and the document, the certificate that we prepared earlier, that was the main document. Got it? Main document, then it is merged with the merged field, and then it becomes a final document. If we want to make changes, like if we have to underline this, then we can select and click on underline. Okay, we can underline class also, because these fields are mostly blank in all the certificates, so we can also underline date. Okay, that's it. Save it. Then after that, okay, I will enlarge so that you can see the effect. Okay, these are merge fields. Click on mailings, preview result. Now you can see the detail is filled. Okay, it is coming here, so you adjust the design properly. So this way, students, you can see 15 certificates are prepared. Okay, if you want to see the last certificate, you can click on this last record. Okay, see, this is, there are 14 records in total, so last one is 14th. If you want to see the first one, then click here. Okay, if you want to see the second certificate, then Sanjay Jain, Vikas, Karan, Raj, Ravi, Prakash, etc. Okay, so this way there are total 14 certificates. You can see I have simply created many certificates in just a click. And in the end, you can click on finish and merge. If you want to add it individual document, you can add it from here. Okay, individual, because in some of the certificates, maybe out of 100 you need to change 1 or 2. Okay, at that time you can click on add it individual documents. If you want to print the documents, you can click on print. How many, what you want to print, like all or the current record or from this to this number. Okay, so then you can click on OK button. If you want to mail these certificates, you can send by email messages. Got it? So there are 3 processes. So mailing process is easy if you already have the Excel list or a data source. I hope you all are doing your practicals, and you can do it in your PC. You can also try it in your mobile and practice it well. Try to understand all the concepts, use all the concepts whatever I have taught you, all the features of MS Word. Okay, I know MS Word is easy, but there are so many features that you don't know. Okay, so here I am trying to teach you most of the features that is actually required to create important documents. Okay, thank you so much.